Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fusion spark plugs. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, extensions, and a spark plug socket. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning this task to avoid burns. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts while you are working. Having the right tools and taking these initial safety steps makes the job much smoother. Next, you'll need to access the spark plugs. Start by locating and carefully removing the engine cover, which is typically secured by a few bolts. Once the cover is off, you will see the ignition coils. Disconnect the electrical connector from each ignition coil. Then, unbolt and gently remove each coil. Keep track of which coil came from which cylinder, as this can be helpful for reassembly.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more DIY guides. Quick recommendation: just like you need the right tools for your car, you need the right tools for your mind. Read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for all your car manuals or a good book. Check the description below for a link to the Kindle and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now it's time to replace the spark plugs themselves. Using your spark plug socket and extension, carefully remove each old spark plug. Take a moment to inspect the old plugs for any signs of unusual wear, which can indicate other engine problems. Before installing the new plugs, ensure they are correctly gapped if necessary. Hand tighten the new plugs first, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified setting. With the new spark plugs in place, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully reinstall each ignition coil, making sure it seats properly over the new spark plug, and then bolt it down. Reconnect all the electrical connectors to the ignition coils, ensuring they click into place. Finally, reattach the engine cover and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your car to confirm everything is working correctly and enjoy your smoother running engine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.